my loves, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video it is going to be all about this unit from Asteria hair. They were kind enough to send me this. Oh my gosh, I can't listen, y'all gonna be obsessed with this unit. As always, I love sharing with you guys all the products that you guys should be receiving in your package when you order from them. So you do get a pair of lashes, a brush for the edges, okay, and you also get a headband to lay your edges down. Alright, you guys, so the moment we all have been waiting on, this is the wig, y'all. When I tell y'all she is full, she's full, okay? So if you love curly, full, luscious, luxury hair, this is it. This is the girl for you. It does come already pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. You don't do much except glue the unit down and tint the lace. So I wanted to get all up close and personal so you guys can see the lace. I think they did an incredible job plucking it. I mean, they did better than me, okay? I'm glad that they did this and I didn't have to do it because it just looks so natural and so realistic. We like it so far. Now, I did get my hands on a 13x4 lace wig, but they also have a 5x5, a 13x6. So yeah, they got some options. And I just wanted to show you guys how thick this hair is. This is a lot of hair. Girl, it's a lot of hair, okay? So I wanted to tint the lace as always. I feel like I always repeat this part, but I usually use a tinted mousse and then I set it with a setting powder or a bronzer, and then I spray it down with the melting spray that I usually use. This is just going to help for it not to transfer to my skin. I'm not going to be using that tinted mousse anymore. Once it's done, it's going to be done. I'm just going to be kind of tinting it how I used to tint my lace with just bronzer or setting powder. Now, this is inside of the unit. You do get a comb all the way at the bottom, two on the side, and also an adjustable strap. I love when units come like this because your wig will be secured. It's not going to go nowhere even if you don't want to glue it down and just want to wear her just on its own. Just know your wig is going to be secured. Now, I'm not a big fan of those combs on the side. I normally just keep the one all the way at the bottom because the ones on the side really bother me. So I normally just cut it out with scissors and I'm good to go. So I'm grabbing my mousse. Normally, I usually grab my water bottle mixed with conditioner and I spray it all over the unit to bring the curls back to life. But today I wanted to just grab my mousse and go about my business with just my mousse. That's about it. That's all I used on this unit. Oh, I'm so obsessed with it, y'all. It's just so full. I'm like, wow, if the girls that love full hair can get their hands on this, I think y'all gonna be obsessed. I think I got my hands on 180 density. But I'm going to have it in the description box. So here's the thing. If you get 180 density, just know it's going to be full. If you go 200, it's going to be super full. But because curly hair tends to shed, this one did not shed as much. But you already know if you wear curly hair for some time, it's going to shed because you're brushing it out. You know, it's normal. But I would recommend go higher on the density if you want your units to last you you know, about a year or so. If you wear it on and off, I think I would recommend 180 density to 200 density, but y'all can see it for yourself. She's full, she's very luscious, very beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. Now, the unit did not come with much flyaways, but I had my wax stick in front of me, so I was like, you know what, let me just like keep the hair in place. But y'all, look at how good the freaking lace looks, okay? Obviously, the lace is HD, it's invisible, so you know, it's gonna look so much more natural in person. I love when wigs don't look so wiggish, you know what I'm saying? And this one does not look wiggish at all. Love, love, love. And just to mention this unit does go all the way up to 300 density. I forgot to mention that. So it goes from 180 to 50 and then 300 density. Oh my gosh, that is so full. But I love the fact that they have that option because there is girls who want their units to be full. And some of these companies do not give that option at all. So we love that. Asteria hair, keep that going because I'm here for it. Alright, loves, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, and I am going to do something on this video. I normally do it, but I don't know if I usually put it in the videos, but after cutting the lace, I did use my Got To Be spray first, and y'all could clearly see that the difference when I cut the lace. Y'all could clearly see the lace. So what I do, I grab my Lace Academy melting spray, and then I spray a good amount on my finger, and then I press it onto the lace. So you guys can see the before and then after while I'm pressing the product to the lace for it to melt. It looks so much better like that. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed with this Lace Academy melting spray. I'm gonna try to find it and link it for you guys because I've had it for like 2 years now. I'm not sure whether the girl sells it anymore or not, but if I find it, it will be linked in the description box, as well as this unit, you guys. I'm gonna create a little bit of baby hair, nothing too crazy. I wanted this unit to look so much more natural because I feel like okay, here's the thing. I love baby hair, but then at the same time, I don't love baby hair. So it just depends with the mood and how my baby hairs are looking. If they look too, I don't know, too fakeish, I don't like it, okay? So today, I felt like it looked pretty natural for the most part. So I will have all the details to this unit in the description box, so definitely check that out. If there's any discount codes, you guys make sure you check the description box. I love y'all so much. Napenda sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!